Imagine a scenario. Tomorrow, you get somehow inherited or like you win the lottery or whatever. In some way or form, you get the amount of money that you've always been craving. Maybe it's $1,000,000 or $100,000, whatever, right? What if you get it out of nowhere? You don't have to work for it. You just get it. Or you've been working for something and you suddenly get the result. What is going to be your first action? What are you going to buy? Are you going to go and buy good groceries? Are you going to go and give to someone, like, donate it? It's some part of it. Are you going to buy your parents something nice? Are you going to go and buy a Birkin? Or some other branded item? Are you going to upgrade your car? Buy land? Or are you going to put it in an account and continuously worry that it might go away because it just came out of nowhere, it could disappear nowhere, right? It's okay. Let yourself feel it. Dream it. Because if this desire has been in your heart, it might be meant for you. But the real question is it meant for you right now? Are you ready to actually receive it? Physically, mentally, emotionally, financially, age-wise, maturity, anything. Are you ready and fully capable of receiving it? There was a study at the University of California that, experimented with sudden financial gain. If there was sudden financial gain for a person which didn't match their internal self-image, it usually led to increased anxiety, self-sabotage, impulse spending, and even sometimes losing it all. So if you ever ask yourself, why is God blocking my wealth, my provision, my level up in life? He might not be punishing you, or he might not be blocking it from you. He might just be protecting you until you are ready, until your internal system is completely ready. So that you won't just touch and lose it. You won't just perform worthiness. You would actually channel it. There is a verse in Quran that says, if Allah were to increase provision for his servants, they would have transgressed throughout the earth. But he sends down in due measure what he wills. Indeed, he is acquainted and seeing of his servants. Now that line, that they would have transgressed, it hits very deep, doesn't it? When specifically you're trying really hard to, take that business off the ground or get that promotion, makes money somehow. It does hit you hard. That I've been trying so hard, why is God not giving it to me? Once again, he knows what's inside. Wealth is not going to undo it or change you. It's going to expand you. It's going to exaggerate your inner, feeling. So if he knows that if he gave you too much too soon, you might get attached to material things. You might not channel it properly. You might get, too preoccupied with preserving it. You might not really be prepared to give it to the right people, to spend it on your loved ones, to spend it on your own growth. His slow pace is not to tell you that you're not worthy to receive it or you haven't tried hard enough. It is most likely to give you marking over your ego, your habits, to teach you to stay humble when your bank account isn't empty or low. And even Bible says, an inheritance gained too early in life is not a blessing in the end. Let that sink in. Every blessing, if given before time, a rushed blessing is not really a blessing. Basically, you're telling me that I'm training my triceps and I have just started to lift a 5 kg dumbbell. And I'm too rushed, and I want that result, and I want that defined muscle, so I just go and pick up the 20 kg dumbbell, and my trainer doesn't let me. She slaps me that you can't do this, you're gonna hurt your muscle. That's exactly what God is doing with you. You're gonna hurt your muscle. The muscle to spend rightly, the muscle to channel your wealth, to grow, and not just grow financially or numerically, to grow you as a person, to grow your life as, to provide to your loved ones, and to channelize it to gifts to the right people, to spend on ventures or projects that really bring some good to the world and to you. And if you have the hardest time, trusting God, faith, or provision, there's a very detailed, long video that I created about it. It's linked up above. It might be the only thing that you need right now. So, my love, if your level up isn't happening, why don't you just sit here with me and ask yourself, am I the person who, if given a good amount of wealth, am I the person who's going to spend it or hoard it? Or am I the person who spends it wisely, multiplies it, and grows it, and causes the growth and, welfare of others? Am I that person? Am I willing to be that person? Now, if the answer to that question is no, then you have your answer to why God is blocking it. Because He doesn't want it to own you, He wants you to own it. And you aren't ready for that. And that's where I rest my case. Now I send you peace, clarity, and lots of love. Toodles.